What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's that time of the month again. Actually, this is actually last month's kit. This is actually June's kit. It is very late this year, or this month, or last month I should say, but I'm going to say the reason, I believe the reason was because the decals were really delayed. They couldn't get the decals in on time. So we got last month's kit. So this is a June kit of a month, and of course we got from Sylvia and JR models, of course. So let's waste no time and crack into it. Been waiting for this kit for a month, almost really a month. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what we got. I'm sure most of you do know what's in here, such as myself, but if you're not aware, that's something pretty cool, and you might already see it. Check that out. We got a Davey Allison. Aha, really cool Ford Thunderbird, 1967 Ford Thunderbird. So very cool. So let's get this out of the box. We got some goodies in here, which we'll go through that here in a sec. And that's it. Check this out. This is a beauty. This is an actual real beauty of a kit right here. And there's some other kits right there as well. But we're gonna get to this here in a sec. Let's just go through the extra goodies. What we got. We got some decals, and once we got a sticker. Let's see here. Oh wow. So we enjoy our models, and what's it we got? That's pretty cool. Engine. Like basically we get whole engine display, or coverage right there. That's a really cool. That's a NASCAR engine. That's obviously, it looks like what is that? A Dodge. It looks like a Hemi. You can see the Hemi valve covers. That's really cool. So that's a pretty big sticker. And let's see, how many decal sheets did we get in this month? Did we get one or two? Yes, we got two. So what's we got? Oh, cool. We got a Kyle Larson decal sheet. This is his Valvoline. This is his 2023 Valvoline NASCAR decal sheet. That's really cool. That's pretty neat, because really cool about this is I don't have a lot of these kits, and when you get the decal sheets, and if you guys don't know, Mike's Decals, they sell the WJR models, next gen NASCAR cars, just by themselves. So you can just go, I can just go there and buy just the model, and I had these decals, which is very cool. And of course we got the black Chevrolet decal sheet with it. So that's really cool. And then we do have a second decal sheet, and it looks like we got a Richard Petty. That's very cool. We got a 1980 Richard Petty. Very cool. Nice decal sheet. That is good old Petty blue. And yeah, very cool. So I don't have that kit either. So a lot of these decals that I'm getting, I do not have the kits, and it's pretty cool. So I can just go to Mike's Decals, just get the kit, or go on eBay. I'm sure people sell just a kit on eBay, and you have the decals ready for them. So very cool. So that's it for the goodies. But let's go ahead and dive into the Davey Allison Ford Thunderbird. So very cool, really cool history about this car. Davey Allison. If you all know about Davey Allison, he's probably one of the main popular drivers in NASCAR history back in the day, until his death, which I'll explain why, or how it happened. If you know what happened, then that's awesome. But if you don't know what happened, it's pretty devastating, and it was hard for me to learn from that, because when I do these reviews and about these older NASCARs, obviously I was not born, so I'm doing a lot of research. I love doing research on these older NASCARs, because it's because I wasn't born, I wasn't around, and when I do build them, I do want to know a history about them and drivers and stuff. So Davey Allison, he was probably one of the main awesome well-known NASCAR driver out there, such as Dale Earnhardt, Jeff Gordon, and all those fun guys. But Davey Allison, he had a true history in his blood, and he was very young when he was doing NASCAR, and he died at a very young age for absolutely no reason. The way he died was just so, it was heartbreaking. But 1987, this is a really good year of his racing career. He won 3 races that year, and he got multiple top 5 and top 10 finishes. It's really cool. He won at Talladega 500, I believe it was. It was really cool, and the moment he won, he passed Dale Earnhardt at the very few laps left of the race. He cut into the inside of the corner, and he passed Dale Earnhardt, and he got a big win there. His team was just all over the car. They were just celebrating so hard, and it was really a good moment for him. And that race was really amazing, and just really good history of that race for him. And with that same year, he won 2 other races, and he just got a bunch of top 5 and top 10 finishes wins as well, which is really cool. But yeah, this car was really unique, and this livery or this paint scheme was absolutely amazing. I'm not going to open this particular one, but I do have a decal sheet that is very similar to this. I will show you, because the chrome in this kit is the 28, and the actual sponsor logo is actual chrome gold, right? Gold chrome. It's absolutely unbelievable, and especially back in the day, 1980s, that's pretty impressive. They're doing chrome decals or stickers back in the day, and that's what made his car stand out. But yeah, just in case you don't know about the death of Davey Allison, it's really heartbreaking. I believe he was going to Talladega.
Davey Allison just crashed his helicopter out at Talladega. I just froze.
Yeah, I think it was Talladega. I'll put the year on your screen because I can't remember exactly the year, but let's just say he got off the airplane at the airport, and most drivers, they get off the airplane and they get in a helicopter to fly to the track. Well, he got off the airplane, and then he finally got onto a helicopter, and the helicopter did not leave the airport. It didn't even leave the airport. The helicopter malfunctioned, or something happened to a helicopter, and it just crashed, and really hard crash, and it basically killed almost everybody in that helicopter.
That's lifesaver. When I heard lifesaver, I said, that's hardly ever good. The fact that there were 2 being transported, red 2.
Davey Allison, he did not die at that scene at the helicopter crash, but he did die a few days later.
They pronounced Davey dead at 7 o'clock the next morning
At the hospital. So that was just, it was not meant to be for his death that day. And he was going for the big race, Talladega, I believe he was going, and it was just, it was crazy. And this is the car that won Talladega, back in 1987. But he was a different year, obviously years down the road, and same race he was going to, and that's just such heartbreaking. But let's go ahead and show you a decal sheet that I have very similar to this one. I do want to keep this one wrapped up until when I build it. But this one that I have here is for a 1989 Ford Thunderbird. So Ford Thunderbird, they changed the body style and stuff. So it's a different body style Ford Thunderbird, but it's basically the same car. And this is a very similar decal sheet as that one. Just a little bit different, obviously, because it's a different car, different body style, but it's pretty much identical. We'll pull out the back here. I'll show you the car. There's the car. So this is for a monogram kit, which I do have. So I will be doing this as well with that one. It'd be pretty cool to have them side by side. But we're going to pull this decal sheet so you can actually see the actual chrome finishes. There we go. Yeah, look at that. That is just really amazing cartograph these days. Can do this effect on like these paint schemes. It's really cool. Yeah, the 28 and sponsor is all in a shiny chrome, like gold chrome. It's really incredible. And it's pretty incredible. They're, like I said, I mentioned this before, it's pretty incredible. They're doing this chrome back in 1980s. It's, you know, the technology was really growing back in the day, and this is what made his car stand out from the rest of the cars, because I believe his car was the only one that had this chrome, like, gold effect on his car, and that's what made his car stand out so good on the track. And, you know, it just reflected off the sun so well, and you know that's Davey Allison. That's Davey Allison. You see the reflection of his numbers. So it's just a really cool car, and the paint scheme on this is really neat, and it just such a unique car. And Davey Allison, he was a really good driver. He was probably up there with the top dogs with Dale Earnhardt, Jeff Gordon, those guys. But I don't know. Davey Allison, it was not meant to be. He was super young. He died in his 30s. It's unreal. He died that soon, and you know, but things happen. Helicopter malfunctioned and it crash landed, but man, I just wish it didn't happen. He had a huge career left in his life, and man, but it was, his cars were amazing. His pit crew, I mean, his cars are history. They're all in museums these days. This car, I believe, is in a museum. I think it was the Talladega racing win, the Talladega 500. 1987, I believe that one is in a museum. This particular car, that is, and you know, because that was an awesome win. He passed Dale Earnhardt. Dale Earnhardt was leading, and he passed him right on the inside. It was incredible. It was a good move for Dale Earnhardt, and he got that victory. But that's it, guys. That's it for this is the June. This is the June kit of the month. I believe Jim said they are going to be shipping July kit of the month here shortly, so we'll basically be getting 2 kits this month, and of course we got some new decal sheets, very cool, and a sticker, all that fun stuff. So Builders Club, really good program, and you get, you know, like I said, you get free decals. These decals about 10 to 12 bucks each, and you're getting them for free. You are getting a sticker, and also I'm going to warn you guys, if you're not in the Builders Club, I believe September is going to be another Builders Club exclusive kit. So if you want to join in the Builders Club before the end of next month, I would suggest to, just so you can get that special kit of a month, like Builders Club kit of a month only on September, because Builders Club kit of a month is basically, or Builders Club exclusive, I should say, is it's only for Builders Club members only. Only Builders Club members can only get that particular kit. Like the Richard Petty number 20, or was it 32? That was a Builders Club exclusive. Nobody else can get it. No store can have it. And if Builders Club people do get it, I'm sure some people were selling them for like 120 bucks. Yeah, there was a couple people on eBay selling for 100 and 130 bucks on eBay. And people were buying them, which is quite unreal. So if you want to get a special Builders Club exclusive kit, just join Builders Club by the end of next month. Then you get a special Builders Club exclusive kit on September. Just a little heads up. I'm just going to give you guys a little heads up, because that is coming in September, they said. But other than that, guys, that's it for this. Hope you enjoyed. JR Models has knocked out of the park with this kit. Really cool car. The Thunderbird was such an iconic NASCAR back in the day. But other than that, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until next video, we'll catch you next time.